You never know what's in my cupboard, people.
You found the tahini?
I'm looking. It's dark, and I found chicken, not chicken paste, chickpea paste. I found chickpea paste.
Yum.
What's that? What is this? Okay. Hey girls.
Coffee! It's coffee!
No, there's no coffee allowed on my boat. What's this? It looks like a hot chocolate.
Oh my
We got
God.
some hot chocolate, girls. Look at that.
Chocolate!
And I didn't even know I had it.
Oh my God, we don't need to go to Jane's boat anymore. We have chocolate.
All right. Looks like it's a happy boat again because we found more food that the girls like.
We can make it with cocoa.
Oh, the coconut.
Yeah.
We have to smash them up and we put them in the blender and we try and make it. The girls are a bit excited because they just eat gruel all day and fish. But we have a sort of a nice lunch. What are you making? What are they called?
Arepa.
Arepa. So these are corn flour, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, excellent. And now we got...
tahini.
Hummus. No, we got hummus. Couldn't find the tahini. So it's all happening here, people. This is how I look after the girls. I give them all the nice food if I find it
Chocolate.
in the bowels of the boat. I think some yachty gave it to us because they were paranoid about used-by dates. Right, arepas and
Arepas.
yeah, well, close enough. And hummus. I'm responsible for the hummus, and needs more tahini, but we couldn't find any. All right, girls, get stuck into it. So, do you want to have a lazy day this afternoon, or you want to do action? You just tell me.
Food. That's it.
Food. Can't talk. Food. Fair enough. All right. I suppose I better get into it before the ravenous hordes.
Yeah. Hey.
Very good. I forgot to film us and our discussions. We're going to go and do something a bit weird today, people. You just have to watch and find out, okay? You girls back. One's already on the computer. Gigi, take some time off, girl. Clara's washing up. It's the best crew ever. Literally, I don't even have to do the 20 minutes. I think Lisa's going to get upset if she watches this. She's going to see and hear the sincerity in my voice and go, hang on, I was pretty good crew too. And I'll go, well, Lisa, well, do you remember the pineapples? Remember the issues about the pineapples? How you'd wake me up at 2 a.m. going, there's only 5 pineapples left. And there's only 5 days until the next delivery of pineapples. What if one of them is no good? There'll be less than 1 pineapple per day. This is what I had to go through every day. Even when we had 15 pineapples, people. I tried. This crew, there's no pineapple saga. We're going to go search for the $1 billion drug wreck. It might not be $1 billion, maybe it was 880 million, but you know, you get the gist. This bizarre mangrove is in the middle of nowhere. It's a bit of a strange place to have a mangrove. It's in the middle of nowhere, people. I don't get that. I don't understand. I don't understand. But anyway, it's in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. All right, let's go try and find this wreck. I'm trying to find the wreck, but I don't know where it is. Well, there's a bit of metal last time. The It came up from the top and it was like a springboard. And it's deep enough there, you could do like it was like really springy. So that's why I came out here. The wreck is spread all over here. Apparently when it happened, the drugs were floating everywhere, with everyone around trying to grab a share. Me, I would have just gone fishing. I think Gigi may be doing laps, people. 'Twas a ship with suspect cargo, bound no doubt for Key Largo, but it foundered upon a hostile shore. Alas, the ship is now no more. But the cargo got loose and floated free, with the local Indians yelling yippee. I think there's something in that for all of us. Oh, disappointed. I want to go diving competitions. Oh well. Anyway, that's the drug boat, people. $880 million worth. But not the boat, the merchandise. That's right, people. It's another fun-filled episode of Crockwash! Woo! Yeah! Featuring Gigi, our driver! Woohoo! Featuring Clara, the spotter! Woo! And because we've wrecked our night vision, we don't know where we're going! Woo! And we haven't been drinking! Okay, we have to stop now because we really don't know where we're going.
I have no idea.
I don't know where we're going at all. It's all friggin' light. Okay, see you in a bit, people. Hey, you're supposed to be looking forward, Clara. Eyes front!
Super bright.
Super bright what?
You see? I see one.
What is it?
I don't know. You see, I see it. Right there. Right there. You can now. Peter, it's an eye. See this red thing? It's so strong. There.
Alright, I'm going in.
Oh God. It's going.
Oh look, it is a baby crocodile.
Ah.
Keep it.
Where did it go?
That's a baby croc. It's tiny.
Do you see it now? Here it is. Look, Peter. Here it is. Oh my God. Look at it.
Crikey, people, a baby croc.
Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah? It's looking.
He's so beautiful. Oh, you're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Well, besides Claudia Schiffer. Wow, look at that. Wow. You're so pretty. Gee, I hope his mum's not around.
Yeah, I hope so too. Look right there. Is that
Can you see him?
No, but what's that there?
Come on, intrepid crew. Oh yeah, shh. We've got to be very, very quiet. We're hunting crocodiles. That's not hunting wabbits, people. Just looking for his tracks. They're going to be so tiny. But the sand is super smooth, so... The island was full of these spiders that came out at night. Their eyes also glow but are blue. Croc's eyes glow red. Oh wow, there's his little cover. And he's going to suck in, and that's going to be his little door.
Oh.
I don't know what happened to us. We actually had success. Actually saw something, people. You know the drill. We usually go walking, going all this way, and don't find anything, except maybe a track that I've drawn in the sand with a stick just before I film. I'm only kidding. I've never done that. This is not a fake blog at all. Thanks to Gigi, Star Spotter. Well done. Sorry, you have to. You're in the spotlight now, Spotter. Well done. From miles away, people. That's good. And that's his log. That's his little beach. How cool's that?
What a cutie.
Yeah, he's so cute. All right, well, I'm done. I'm going to go to Betty Base because I'm tired. All right, good night. See you later, people.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.